The biggest problem with certificates of insurance is Hey, what's going on? It's Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are transforming the way individuals, families, and small business owners secure financial stability. Today's video is about certificates of insurance and one of the main problems that I see. When you, as a contractor, request or require a certificate of insurance from a subcontractor, they provide a one-sheet page that does list their coverage a little bit. It shows a policy number, the dates, the coverage limits that are included, but really that's about it. You've got a contact name and maybe a phone number of someone you can call, but it doesn't tell you whether something is excluded or not included on the policy. So one huge problem with certificates of insurance is that they are just a time stamp. It's just a piece of paper that says on this date, this person or contractor has these coverages in place. But the very next day, they could cancel that insurance, and you're supposed to receive a copy of that cancellation or an update on the certificate for that cancellation, but you may not always see that. It may never have been reported to the actual company. The agent may not be in a place to send out those cancellation notices like they're supposed to. Well, that's another huge problem in itself. The main problem I see is that you don't know if the policy that is evidenced on the certificate of insurance that you receive is any good or not. I've seen contractors for new home construction require certain limits on general liability, workers' compensation, even excess or umbrella policies. But what they don't see is that sometimes a company will slip in an exclusion or an exception when there's a tract development included. So if there's more than 15 homes in this development, then there might not be coverage for that subcontractor's work. So this brings on a whole slew of issues. So requiring insurance is great. Getting a certificate of insurance is all well and good, but unless you see what is and is not covered, see the actual policy, you don't really know. That's the biggest problem with certificates of insurance. It's a false sense of security. So if you've got questions about that, or if you'd like to talk that over with me, be happy to do that. Give us a call, 580-353-0668, and we can talk through those things together. Thanks for watching our video. Check around. We've got some other videos that may interest you. Tell someone you know about our videos. We're online, on Facebook, and on YouTube as well. Thanks.